It's your boy AA Ron. Um, I just got back from seeing the fireworks at Pat Park. As you see, I'm sweaty. They just got home anyway, so I'm like tired as heck. You know, um, uh, it was good. Like a lot of people out there, it's crazy. Like it's crowded. Like I just like skateboarding. You know, um, just skateboarding around and stuff until it starts. So, um, uh, other than that, it was good. Um, right now I'm like kind of a little hurt right now. But I'm still happy though. I still have fun and stuff. It just like situation with my so-called very close friend. You know, so I want to tell y'all, um, probably like tomorrow, if I upload like a video, you know, it's it's like it, but I ain't worried about it, cause she's different, and like yeah, it's been 2 months, but she's still the same, you know, um, and yes, of course she hit me, she put her hands on me when I like went back over there, so I'm gonna like tell y'all what happened tomorrow if I upload another video. Right now I'm tired though. I gotta get ready for work tomorrow. Um, so other than that, I'll see you guys in the next video. Hope you guys have a good night and be safe out there. Um, and happy Independence Day. Happy 4th of July. I just want to say good night. God bless y'all.